Over the last few decades, Marvel has masterfully crafted a diverse and complex universe that leaves most of us craving for more every year. And with a whole slew of new properties like WandaVision, Falcon and the Winter Soldier, Loki, and others, there's just so much to be excited about. So we decided to break down some of the mechanics behind the comic giant's most memorable characters. Starting with Sam Wilson's wings in the upcoming Falcon and the Winter Soldier, and how you could possibly fly like the Falcon very soon. Similar to our breakdown of the tech in Black Panther being so close to reality, I'm gonna do that for Falcon's wings too. In the MCU, Falcon's flight suit is more accurately known as the XO-7 Falcon. It's an experimental military jetpack that was to be used in areas where small choppers and even paratroopers couldn't gain access. The jetpack contains powerful retractable wings made of lightweight titanium ribbing and mylar and allows the user to maintain massive speeds akin to that of a fighter jet with all the flexibility in the world. It also uses the momentum and acceleration of the user, allowing them to increase their strength and speed while attacking. Once Sam Wilson acquired the wings, he made some modifications to the original design. The upgraded features included making the wings bulletproof and being able to withstand heavy fire. It could also be reconfigured into a defensive shield. It contained homing missiles and of course his trusty Red Wing drone, who was actually a real Falcon in the comics. In addition to his wings, Wilson also had gauntlets, which included touch controls linked to the XO-7's weapon systems, and he sported a pair of collapsible wrist-mounted machine guns. The Falcon also had combat goggles with several enhancements that allowed him to zoom in to the smallest of objects. It had a sensor system, a central computer, and tactical system that again was linked to all of XO-7's systems as well as Red Wing. So now that we know everything Falcon's wings are capable of, do we have real-world tech that can actually build this? Well, yes and no. Technically, there have already been strides to building these kinds of jetpacks and flight wings. One of the closest we've come to it are the carbon fiber wings created by Swiss pilot Yves Rossi. Tinkering around with the early versions of this jetpack since 2011, Rossi was only able to pilot it while being launched from a chopper or a plane using wind lift like a bird to boost flight efficiency. The wings have no straps, no rudder, no outward controls. Rossi only uses his body to maneuver and steer it. So far, he's flown over the English Channel, the Grand Canyon, and the Swiss Alps, among others. He's reached top speeds of around 300 kilometers per hour, and the weight of his wings is around 55 kgs. His latest design has 4 powerful JetCat P550 turbine engines on the wing, which gives him enough vertical lift to shoot straight upwards. As you can see, Rossi's arms aren't tethered to the suit either. He has full mobility and uses finger controls, which are built into the gloves to control the thrust and other features. He's been working with Swiss teams to better build his tech and improve his designs. In Dubai, there's another team of jetmen who are working towards the same goal of creating self-autonomous flying machines for solo humans. Okay, we're not that close to retail purchasable versions of Falcon's wings that we can just put in our Amazon wish lists, but it's likely to get there in the next few years. In the meantime, what other Marvel tech do you want us to break down? What tech do you wish was a reality? Let us know in the comments. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The kinds of videos we want to make are to ask fun and compelling questions, explore weird and intriguing stories, and delve into secret histories. So if that's something you're interested in, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to tell us what you like in the comments.